Can you see how she wrapped it? I totally love this design. Isn't it gorgeous? Hey girl, hey boy. Thanks for stopping in and happy Sunday. Knock on wood, I am recording a video and I'm going to upload it right after I am done here. I wanted to pop in ASAP and show you what I've been doing lately, what I've been wearing on my head lately. I went through this thing where I'm like, okay, what am I going to do with my hair? I'm always wrapping it nowadays with everything that's going on, and I am not inspired by, I'm not inspired to wear any other hairstyles because I just have to wrap it up when I leave out. And I also have it wrapped when I'm at home. So I decided, you know what, just keep it moisturized and clean and healthy up underneath your head wraps. But this particular wrap, I slept in. Yes, I woke up like this, with the exception of these earrings. Shout out to TonyDaily.com, hashtag support a sister. All right, this head wrap is also another hashtag support a sister. Shout out to A New Wow. I believe that's how you pronounce it. We have seen multiple ads with the beautiful sisters wrapping these on their heads on Facebook and Instagram, and I had to do more research to find out who was behind this. Anyway, this is a Black-owned brand, and it is currently based out of Hong Kong. A lot of sisters had questions about who owned it. Was this a Black-owned company? And yes, it is a Black-owned company. It is anewwow.com. You can go there. And they also made the cut and are listed on the blackbusinessdomain.com. If you have a reputable Black-owned business and you want to be listed there, go ahead and browse around and check it out. If you also want to donate to the blackbusinessdomain.com, you can do that as well. This particular website is only for reputable, upper echelons of service type businesses. It is always monitored. Any business that is no longer completely Black-owned or not operating in the highest caliber of customer service and product will be removed from the site, so people can actually shop with confidence. So back to this head wrap. Okay, now this one is a beautiful stiffer fabric kente cotton. And I bought 3. I have a red one that I sleep in all the time. I have this one. And I thought, what better way to have my hair protected and have a satin bonnet on without it looking like a satin bonnet? Yes, this is a satin bonnet. And here is one of the designs that I have. It has a beautiful red satin interior lining, and look at the pattern. There are tons of colors and patterns. It is very hard to choose. And again, this came from Hong Kong. The shipping was perfectly fine considering it came from overseas. So I was very pleased with my purchase. And then you have the straps here. There's 2 straps. The straps, let me just kind of be still. Okay. The straps are attached to the back. You put the bonnet on and then you just wrap it however you want. Every time I wrap this, it looks different. Okay. Today I have it wrapped this way. I don't know. Do you want me to do a demonstration? I just wrapped it, so I'm all like, but I'll do a quick demo. But you see how I have it? Like, you can actually have the ties in the front. And so I have my hair in a bun, like a little bun with twists. And then I simply just took these straps. Let me do it right. I simply took the straps. I did a crisscross like this. And then I went around the back. Come on now, work with me. And it never looks the same each time. And then I did another crisscross in the front. And I just simply tucked afterwards. Cross, and then I tucked. And these, I actually like wearing them off my head like that. I really like that. And you have space up here, so if you have a puff, a bun, or whatever. And again, I don't have a problem with dozing off in these. I have one that I actually sleep in. But no more of that running out in a do-rag. No more running out in those satin bonnets. You know the ones, those greasy satin bonnets, please and thank you. And if you have a greasy satin bonnet, maybe get one that isn't greasy, put over that and wrap a scarf around it to make it look like you rocking a head wrap or something. Or you can get one that's already made for you. It's beautifully done. This one is, I believe, a polyester. I think it's it's a silky polyester, so it has more movement. If you want something a little stiffer, then you can go this route, but they all wear really well, and I'm just really excited. We've been seeing these all over the internet for a while now, and I felt like this was the perfect solution for me at this time because, let's face it, I'm not only busy, but I am lazy now. So if I doze off in this, I don't have to worry about, I like cotton pillowcases. So when I have a cotton pillowcase, I can just lay down with this on versus finding my satin pillowcase, which is something I normally lay on, especially in the wintertime. But yeah, so that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be sure to put the link to anewwow.com below, as well as the blackbusinessdomain.com. Until the next video, you guys, live simply and be kind.